Hey everyone, so I just got this portable jump pack that I'm really excited about, and I wanted to tell you guys about and just some of the features. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside here. So in here we have a nice case this comes in, and so you can see it's very small and compact. I've had jump packs in the past that are just those huge, they're almost like car batteries to carry around, and they're just really heavy and cumbersome. And you can see this is very small, and it comes in this carrying case here that has some support to it, so it's not going to get damaged. You can throw this in the back of your car or truck and you just have it with you, and it has some really cool safety features that make this a great option that I'm really excited about. So go ahead and open this up. So in this pack, you can see this is the 8,000 amp portable jump pack. It's very small. It's made of ABS and PC plastic, so it's flame retardant and very durable. It has a carrying handle built in, and it has a large 4-inch high definition screen that shows battery level and different status. We'll go over that a little bit more here in a minute. It'll show if charge is coming in or out. Okay, so if we open up the rest of this case here, it's separated here by this little divider, and it's held in with this Velcro strap here, so we can fold this down, and then it has a zipped pouch here to keep everything nice and tidy. So if we look at what's in here, we have these jumper cables here, and these have a very strong spring to them. They're texturized, as you can see here, so you can get a good grip on this if you're trying to do this, in inclement weather or anything like that. And you can see in here, there's it's pure copper in there, so you're going to get really great conductivity when you hook this up to your battery. They're clearly marked with positive and negative with the color match. And then it's all integrated here into this one smart plug. And as you can see, it has different shaped plugs here that fit into this unit. So you can only put this in one way. So you don't have to worry about installing this the incorrect way. And then what's really great about this unit too, it has a battery management system in it. So it has some smart features that will prevent you from hooking up wrong. So if you've ever hooked up with just normal jumper cables, you have to remember what battery to hook up to first, the donor car or the car receiving the power. You don't have to worry about anything like this. It won't let you give a charge to the car if you have these hooked up incorrectly. It'll give you an error code, so it'll ensure you have everything properly attached before you jump your car. Okay, so we'll see what else is in here. So this is really cool. This is you can plug this into the jump pack, and this is a 12-volt adapter. So if you have any 12-volt accessories that you want to use to charge, where this will really come in handy for me is I have a tire that when it gets cold, it loses a little bit of air through the valve stem, and I have to pump it up every once in a while, and trying to plug it into my cigarette lighter and move that around the car is a bit of a pain. So being able to hook it up to this and just carry this little pack with me around the car to pump up the tire will be really great. But you can use this for, like I said, any 12-volt accessory that you would need. It comes with a USB charging cord, so this is how you can charge the unit up once it's depleted, but also you can use this to charge your electronic devices, and it has fast charge capability both into the unit and out of the unit, so you can use this to charge your cell phone, your tablet, any camera, anything like that. And also within here are it looks like a contact card with some instructions if you need to get a hold of the manufacturer for any questions or concerns. Quick start guide with just a few instructions there of how to get going, and then a user manual. So this is really cool here. So this is capable of 30-watt fast charging. So this has this little flap here. It has USB type A, USB type C. And then so I have this plugged in here, and you can see on this large screen here, these lights show the status of the charge of this unit itself here. And then here it says out, and I have this plugged into my phone, and you can see it's charging here. And with the fast charging capability this has, I can charge my iPhone 16 Pro Max to 60% in 30 minutes. Okay, so next we're going to try jump starting this car. And you can see here on this, on the battery pack here, it has a port here that says jump start. You pull this out, what's really nice is this is rubber, and this is fits down into these things here. So this will keep it from any moisture, any dirt or anything getting in there. And if you remember, this has this smart connector here that can only go in one way. So it has different shape cutouts here. So I'm gonna plug this in, and then I'm going to hook this up to my battery. But the other great feature about this is this has a bunch of safety modes built into it. So again, it will protect against sparking and reverse polarity, overcurrent, short circuit, anything like that. So there's really nothing you have to worry about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook the red up to the red terminal here, and the black up to the black, or positive and negative. I'm going to hit the power button here. You can see it says ready. So I'm now connected. And the great part about this is it will start the car in as little as 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and see if this will start. So now that it's darker out, I wanted to test out this 200 lumen flashlight. So I'm going to press this power button here, and there's normal mode, and we press it again, and we have strobe. And we press it again, we have SOS. So you can see this is very bright. This will come in handy if you're on the side of the road at night.